Hey guys, it's I'm number one. Today I'm doing an unboxing video for 2 packages. And I am at my house right now and the packages are just over there. So let me go get them quickly. And the scissors. These are actually super light, which is nice. Unlike my kayak. And also I got a new set of golf clubs. Now where did I put those stupid scissors? Where are those scissors? Ah, here they are. Okay, so package 1, the longest. Okay, that was quite easy. I hate it when Amazon uses their expensive tape instead of their cheap tape. Woo! This looks cool. Oh my god! It is a Nerff Super Soaker multitask gun. So it's a dual torpedo bow. It shoots up to 30 feet. You are kidding. This thing could take out someone's eye if you stuck it against it. You have got to be kidding. And then we got the back here. And I have the camera backwards so you can't really read it, but who cares? Blast missiles or water, that's what it says. So, cool. So that's what's in box 1. Amazing. That is super cool. So this video might come a bit short. So, why do I keep losing the scissors? Why? Why are the scissors gone? Where did I put those darn scissors? Why are they under the box? Why are they under the box, Star Wars nerd? Why? They just broke. The scissors just broke. Why did these literally just break? Oh, there we go. They're fixed. Well, this package is really easy to open. I think I can just pry it. Like I just did. Scissors there. Now this is box 2 that I'm opening, so it's a bit of a big box. There are 2 things in box 1. There is this giant water gun. It was advertised differently on Amazon, but who cares? It's still giant. Huge capacity. Oh, it has dual spray settings. That's cool and awesome. And handgun. Now this is cool. It's like a shotgun. It's like a mini shotgun. Shotguns are fun. Doi! Doi, dear! Bam! I love guns. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This was an awesome thing to unbox, like my kayak, and see you guys next time. Goodbye!